This is Keith with TACSol. I'm here to show you how quick and easy it is to take apart your air suppressor for cleaning. The first step is to remove the end caps. Use the supplied wrench to remove the end cap and thread adapter. Just turn the end cap and thread adapter counterclockwise to unthread them. You can now push the baffles out either side. I'm just going to press on the baffles and the suppressor split tube. They're all out of the suppressor now. I can now push the baffles out of the split tube. And if the suppressor was dirty, it's now ready for cleaning. Once your suppressor is cleaned, it's now ready for reassembly. What I like to do is put on the thread adapter first, thread that in, turning it clockwise. Tighten the thread adapter with the supplied wrench. Insert the blast baffle first. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to align the gas port in all the baffles as I put them in. Slide in the split tube. Insert the 2 additional baffles. I can now thread on the end cap. Tighten the end cap with the supplied wrench. And the suppressor is now ready for use. Thanks for watching, and for more great products, please visit us at tacticalsol.com.